second half of this worksheet. We're talking about how long something takes. Remember, a minute is how long it takes for us to count to 60. So that's not super long, but 30 minutes is like how long PE is. So it's a good amount of time, okay? That's when our hands go all the way, halfway around our clock. So from the 12 to the 6. So half of an hour, all right? I wash my hands. Does that take us 1 minute or 30 minutes? Good, that takes us 1 minute. We can count to 60 and be done. But what if I watch a TV show? Would you watch a TV show for only a minute? No, you would want to watch a TV show for 30 minutes. All right, what about recess? Would you want recess to be 1 minute and be done? Or 30 minutes? 30 minutes. We want longer recess, don't we? All right, what about doing the dishes? Would that take 1 minute and you're done? Or 30 minutes? Probably 30 minutes, but it really just depends how many dishes you have, right? All right, what about brushing your teeth? Would you brush your teeth for a minute or for 30 minutes? I wouldn't want to brush my teeth for 30 minutes. I'm going to do 1 minute and be done. All right, what about tying your shoes? Can you do that fast, or is that going to take you half an hour? It's going to take you a minute. You'd have to go really slow. All right. We are done with that page. So let's look at the Valentine true and false. You're going to need a pink crayon and a red crayon. Pink and a red. If you don't have a pink and a red, that's okay. Just use what you got. You can use a purpley pink if you need to. All right, so if it is, they want you to color the hearts by this code. If it's true, you're going to color it pink. If it's false, you're going to color it red. Okay? So let's do the first couple together, and then it will be your turn. Okay? 9 plus 6 is 15. Well, I can hold the 9 in my head and count 6 more and see if I get that. So let's do 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did we get 15 as our answer? Yes, so it is true. So I'm going to color this heart pink. All right, let's look at the next one. 8 take away 5 equals 2. Can I hold up 8 fingers and take away 2? Maybe if you can see my whole hand. There we go. 8 take away 1, 2. How many do I have left? 2 or 6? 6. So that is wrong, and I need to fix it so we know it is. Can I do that one?
Yeah, you need to do that one again.
So let's look. We have 8 take away 5. Let's draw circles this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to take away 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you're right, Miss Ennis. Whoops. We only have 3 left. Not 6 or 2. So it's still false, but Miss Willie put the wrong answer. Maybe we should do one more to make sure Miss Willie knows what's going on. Let's look at this one. 15 equals 14. Is 15 the same as 14? No. 15 is the same as 15. So it is false. Now, on some of these, they put the answer first. That's okay. I know it looks a little weird. Like on this one, 10 equals 10 plus 0. This is still your question, and this is still your answer. That's okay that they're flip-flopped. So still look at your question and make sure both sides are the same. Okay? So finish this page by yourself, and then put it back in your folder, and we will check it when you come back.